Back off this if he just plays a nice pace. Well, wanted to hit Christian first really to get on the black.
Yeah, terrific pot. Maybe think of it at the time, could be his last shot. If Davis was saying in the studio, it's all about a learning curve.
Perfectly on this red.
25.
Yes. Put this in the category marked a day at school. Now knows what's required of him at the top level.
33.
CTV, so you can use this. Come back to fight another day.
41.
Especially when you feel like you haven't done yourself any justice, but you know he can play. He's beat some good players.
49. 55. 56.
And here.
Yes, Johnny's slowing down, isn't he, in his old age? It's 56 minutes the other day.
He's missed a few.
64.
He's only human. Needed.
72.
And that's it. Seventh race.
79.
Steams in the first season. That's good. So
86.
Straight with his cue ball control. He could be a very good player.
needs a kiss on the red. Not got it. Well, not quite. Yes, yes.
93.
Now, Mr. Brown, come off the side cushion, nudge the red. Super.
98.
We may sing century break number 846 career. We will do.
99.
We thought he missed it.
106.
And then he had to sit back and not suffer the centre stage against one of the top players in the world. And the shots and certainly look out, I think he could have played it better.
180.
There's another one. Come on, Ron, give us a clue, his pocket. And in goes the black, and you can hear from the roar of the crowd how much they enjoyed that. Well played, Ronnie O'Sullivan. Sympathy for Reece Clark, but believe me, he'll be back.